Why does the cost of obtaining a passport remain in USD in Zimbabwe? This question echoes in the corridors of bureaucracy and the streets alike, revealing a complex layer of economics and international agreements. In a recent announcement, the Zimbabwean government clarified that passport fees will continue to be charged in United States dollars. This decision persists despite the introduction of the new Zimbabwean investment guidelines currency. Government spokesman Nick Mangwana cited the root of this decision as a contractual obligation with ZANU Pasaulis, a Lithuanian company instrumental in developing Zimbabwe's electronic passport system. This system, which was introduced to streamline the passport application process, has significantly improved efficiency within the passport issuance department. It's a leap forward in addressing the perennial issue of passport backlogs, a sore point for many citizens eager to travel for business, study, or tourism. But why stick to USD payments? The answer lies in the fine print of international contracts. The agreement with ZANU Pasaulis stipulates payments in USD, a common practice in international dealings to avoid the risks associated with currency fluctuations. This clause ensures that the company can maintain its service and supply standards without financial ambiguity. This insistence on USD payments, however, presents a palpable challenge for many Zimbabweans. Amidst fluctuating economic conditions and the introduction of the ZiG currency, the cost of securing a passport in a foreign currency can be a high hurdle. Yet, the government maintains this approach to honor its international agreements and ensure the sustainability of this crucial infrastructure project. The collaboration with ZANU Pasaulis isn't just about fulfilling contractual obligations, it represents a broader strategy. By partnering with an established foreign entity, Zimbabwe leverages global expertise to foster technological advancement and enhance public services. Such partnerships are pivotal in driving national development and modernizing administrative processes. The decision to maintain fees in USD also underscores the importance of stability and consistency in critical sectors. As Zimbabwe continues to navigate through economic reforms and the broader transition to the ZiG currency, maintaining a stable and reliable system for essential services like passport issuance is paramount. This approach not only helps in managing the economic landscape but also bolsters investor confidence, fostering a conducive environment for sustainable growth. In summary, the government's decision to charge passport fees in USD, despite the rollout of the ZiG currency, is a multifaceted strategy. It ensures compliance with international contracts, stabilizes critical public services, and leverages foreign expertise for national benefit. While this may pose challenges for some citizens, it is a calculated move to maintain service efficiency and economic stability in Zimbabwe's journey towards modernization and development.